Good morning, students. Welcome to the second chapter of English literature, Trouble on the Rohini. The entire story is about Rohini, a river, and dispute between two tribes, the Sakyas and the Kolyas. Dispute means a disagreement, and nobody was willing to compromise, and one tribe was blaming the other one. So, Rohini River was a partition in between the residents of the two tribes, the Sakyas and the Kolyas. And this river produced water, and a dam was built to irrigate their crops. Irrigate means water supply to do plantation as well as supply of water in the land. So one day, the Sakyans river, some men were farming their lands. As usual, the farmers, they will farm their lands. So, and that was one of the hottest day of summer. Now, they were checking that the river has dried up or not. In between, they have seen that someone from the other tribe has come to the river to take certain contents of water. So they have informed the chief, and similar fears also was there regarding Kolyas. So one of the Sakyans shot one of the mans of the Kolyas. That means one people from the other tribe has seen another one taking water, and naturally a dispute was running that they were taking away the water. So what is there? There's not enough water for because it was summertime and the river was slowly drying up. That's why they were fearing that if they take the entire water, the other tribe won't get sufficient content of water. So they thought to stop them as quick as possible. So they have started shouting, and the other hand, the other group was also not willing to compromise. They were also willing to take water. They were compromise means they were not ready to do or to go back or to do any type of sacrifice, that to leave the water and to go. They were also willing. That means both the tribes were willing to take the river's water. Next, now they are telling that we have not taken. The other group was also telling that you are blaming us, and they were calling each other as liars. Liars means a person who tell lies. So in between, what happened? There was naturally no settlement of the dispute, so they all decided to hold one assembly. Just like a village assembly, you all know, panchayat, where the sarpanch is the head. Similarly, there is an old story. There was an assembly where all the elder people gathered, and it was regarding the settlement of the dispute. Dispute means disagreement of something. So it was regarding the disagreement of taking water. So the Sakyans have insulted our people. The one tribe has blamed the other. They must be punished. Naturally, they should get punishment. And I agree, these Sakyas were always arrogant. Arrogant means people, those who are proud enough as well as unhappy with others' decisions. So what happened? This all things were running in the capital of Kapilavastu. Kapilavastu is the place where Gautam Buddha was born. So in the meantime, what happened? They started blaming each other. So there was no settlement of the dispute. Gautam Buddha, you must be knowing Gautam Buddha. He also belonged from the Sakya tribe. He was meditating under a tree. You can see his picture is given there. So he can here sense something, some trouble brewing. Some trouble brewing means something wrong is happening or disagreement. So he thought that he must settle the dispute at any rate, otherwise, they will start fighting. They came with their weapons and there will be a war. So Gautam Buddha has thought to solve the dispute, otherwise, one will hurt the others. That means a small fight will take place and they will be hurting each other, and finally, there won't be any settlement, and people could be injured, could die also. This is the first part of the chapter. So you read properly and go through the word meanings given at the down of each page, just like irrigate, dispute, arrogant, sense trouble brewing, and try to solve sentences. It is not necessary that you have to solve sentences related with the chapter only. You can create your own small sentences. Be careful while solving the sentences, be careful about the grammatical and spelling mistakes. So, with that, we end the first part of the chapter. Thank you.